Okay, labs, machines, retired, difficulty, hard. So this is going to be awful. No, no guarantee on any of these. Hack the box hard is like, I don't know. Try hack me insane maybe. Although we did do a try hack me insane box, that was pretty easy. Sort by user difficulty. And all right, there we go. We got the difficulty hard, sorting by at least what viewers think is the easy. So, any suggestions? What's Pivot API? Is that? Let me. There is no box called Pivot API. If you never name the box, that'd be helpful. We got static, Calamity, Zipper, Peekaboo, Spook Troll, Registry. But the Registry one being a Linux host, interesting. In fact, all of these are Linux. Until we get to Mantis. Hey, OMG Buster. Oh, Pivot API is insane. Yeah, we're not doing insane boxes. Do you recommend the ECC CPent course? Are ECC the same guys who do CEH? If so, I don't recommend anything they do. They were also caught numerous times plagiarizing people's blog posts. So they're really shady. I wouldn't touch them. I should probably drag my guy onto the battlefield, shouldn't I? There we go. So yeah, my advice is stay as far away as from ECC as possible. Any suggestions at all, chat? Otherwise, I'm just going to pick one at random. Mantis. Okay. Calamity looks like it might be actually doable. So we'll put Calamity in there. Maybe Zipper. Let's choose Calamity, Zipper, and Mantis and see what everyone wants. Alright. Which box? Calamity, Zipper, Mantis. Alright, you guys have got a few. Please vote. And we'll see what happens. Well, it's currently between Calamity and Mantis. Get your votes in. I'll open a new... I'm going to assume it's Calamity because it's 3 votes ahead. Alright. Calamity wins. Alright, here we go. Spawn machine. PHP, arbitrary file upload, and web it's tagged with. Alright. I'm gonna close this one down. By the way, I had an idea and I want to run it by people. So for a bit of a laugh, since they seem to be making a comeback and are all the rage, would anyone like to see a totally not serious rating of like a tier list of all the pen testing tools at some point? I kind of think that'll be funny to do. You know, like rating mmap. Is mmap an S tier or is it only an A tier? Stuff like that. I think that might be funny. Okay, I got a few yeses. That's good. Alright, the machine has started. Let's use auto recon. The new and improved auto recon, actually. Where are we? Hack the box. Oh, am I connected? I'm not connected. That actually might be worth it. Hack the box. Lab _ Tiberius. Seems to have worked. Okay, CD. Hack the box Calamity. Alright, we got auto recon. Which version is this? Because I made some updates. I think 2.0.9 is the correct version. Alright, so we'll do sudo. That works. Okay, so what we'll do is we will add first to the hosts file the IP address and calamity.hackthebox. And then we'll do vv calamity.hackthebox, and we'll also do global.domain calamity.hackthebox. What global.domain does is it's a global variable, so every single plugin has access to it, and only some of them will use it. So it's used for DNS and Active Directory stuff. Using Ferox Buster. Sorry, let me type in domain. All right, thank you. I'll check that in a minute. Config auto recon config.toml. Maybe this isn't the config.toml there. Oh, I know why. I need to go into I need to become root a minute and remove the .config auto recon directory, I think. And now if I copy this, right, yeah, it's got the right one. Okay, so Calamity. That's an entirely different box. I think that's everything. Oh no, we'll change the number of threads as well. equals, let's just do 30 to try and keep the box a little sane. Alright, here we go. And we'll exit out of that one. Okay, so we're running top TCP ports, all TCP ports, and the top 100 UDP. We've already found 22 and 80. So highly likely this is a Linux box. We knew that already though. But otherwise, it's rare to see 22 on a Windows machine. Let's check out the actual thing first. No, not Google. HTTP calamity.hackthebox. Okay. Brotherhood software, writing security related software since 2009. The eStore is under development. Haven't done much yet because we put a lot of time on our pro products, but it will soon be operating. Let's see this page source. And bad at HTML design forever. Okay. Lies. Sorry, I'll zoom in. There we go. Robots.txt. We don't have that. All right. Well, we'll do a round of Stream Raiders while the scan finishes. Let's do this. I'm gonna get killed. Ah, I died. At least you guys avenged my death. Hey, Thank93 and Just a Guy, welcome. We were gonna do Hollow Network. I should probably change the subject, shouldn't I? We're doing HackTheBox Calamity instead. Alright, open the captain's chest. Grant rewards, back to map. We'll go this way. And I'll drag my guy. There we go. Alright. Back to the screen. So no robots file. We're still scanning all UDP, top 100 UDP ports. So there's no other ports other than 22 and 80. We're doing the Durbuster on that. So let's see the results. We'll check out this one first. We've got Ubuntu. Ferox Buster. 403s, 200s. There's an admin.php. We'll have that for our notes. Hang on, I need to change the width here. Okay, we got that. The index.html was the page we were on. There's an uploads that redirects somewhere. So that's just the index again. These are all 403s, by the way, which is 403 forbidden. So there's pretty much nothing there. All right, scrolling down. All right, did it finish yet? No, because it hasn't finished. There were no UDP ports. All right, let's just check out these. Let's check out uploads first. Okay. So it's empty, but I presume we're gonna go to the admin page and log in. That's interesting that the password's at the top. Let's try admin. Get out of here. How often do devs put up misleading status code pages? Not very often. The worst is when they when every single 404 is actually a 200 just with a 404 HTML message on it. That's the most annoying thing. Like, why would you do that? Alright, Debust is still running. Did it give anything else? I guess what we can do is we can do some regex magic and search for lines that don't begin with a 403. Or to be honest, just don't begin with a 4. Yeah. Alright, so we got admin. Admin index, uploads, and just root, yeah. Okay, so I think this is probably going to be just brute forcing. The user might not be admin, but we're going to assume it is for now. And we're going to use our favorite tool with a runtime file. Let's just try top 1000. And we're looking for presumably a 301 or something, or we can look at the file length. Let me increase the size of this to 16. 16, I said. Alright, hopefully that's better. Yeah, okay, we'll just start the attack and see what happens. Could also be SQL injection, of course. So we could try that. We're going to discard. Why did I send it to intruder? I meant to send it to repeater. So we can do something like URL encode as we type, or 1 equals 1. I'll pretty much do the same thing over here just in case. Oh. Was that in the... Well, I didn't see that, I guess. It told us what the password is. Did anyone else see that? So now it's just guessing the... Is it administrator? And... Is it the other way around, maybe? Yeah, okay. So they had it... Hang on. Yes, they tricked us by putting the fields the wrong way around. So, yeah. Username is pointing to the password field. That's just dumb. Alright, so... Alright. Ta-da, it has nothing. What were you waiting for, dude? You know I ain't finished creating Zalvas. What are we doing? Brownie, that's a cake. Boss said I'm a piece of ass that doesn't take my job seriously, but when it's all set up, I'm asking for double money just because he insulted me. Where was the password? The password was literally in the admin page source code. Dumb. I made an HTML interpreter to work on my PHP. Oh, here we go. Can we just do? We can. All right. This is apparently a hard box, but we can execute PHP code, and you know what that means. We can do let me just show me the page, and then we'll resend it with the command parameter. There we go. All right, easy, 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 easy. Too easy, too easy. So I just wrote this, which I'll actually paste in our notes. So this is a very simple PHP shell, I guess, like a web shell. I think you can make it shorter actually. You can do yeah. So you can even make it shorter by effectively deleting the PHP, the echo, and then putting equals. So that works as well. Okay, let's get a shell back then. Oh, did this Ferox supposed to find anything else? No, I just found 4. Okay, that's fine. Let's go over here. Calamity. Alright, NC 4444, and then I'm going to use our good old pal rev shell gen. I need the IP address though. Rev shell gen 14.115. Now completely forgotten. Did I miss you doing Hollow? No, Hollow wasn't working for some bizarre reason. Rev shell gen. -P -T. Okay. I can just do this though. 1.5. Alright. And we don't want bash, we want NC McNod. This one is just amazing. Obviously we're sending it through a web, like a URL, so we need to actually encode it properly. Encode. URL encode. There we go. Is it Ferox Buster or Frida that has no autocomplete, and it's really frustrating? What do you mean by autocomplete? Alright. I'm just going to copy this entire URL into our notes because I'll tell you what, we'll do this. It was admin / and then we'll give it the password, which was, there we go. Okay. And I don't need that anymore. So we should just be able to send this. Looks like it worked. It did, then it immediately disconnected. Is that just a fluke or did it just... Alright, so it's killing the process, potentially. Oh, autocomplete that way. Yeah, I'm not sure. Alright. Can we just upload a shell, I guess? Should we just try MSF Venom? Oh, come on. MSF Venom. This one. Just double check the architecture while we're at it. Oh, okay. We are not 64-bit. And we should be able to confirm that by listing everything in the root directory. Yeah, okay. Good job I checked, because I just built a 64-bit payload. That's not going to work. We'll need to use x86. Irasakai, thank you for the raid. Okay. For those who weren't on the Monday stream, I have Tourette syndrome, so that's why there are all the noises. And weird stuff. Okay, wget dash capital O, because we all remember what happens when I don't do a dash capital O. Reverse.elf. HTTP. Reverse.elf. Should work. Duplicate that and then just do an ls in the temp directory. Oops, in /temp. Okay, we can do that. Can we actually go into /temp? No. Or there's nothing. Hang on. Is there even a /temp? There is. It's not readable. Okay. It's dev readable. Yes. So can we use dev the SHM thing? We can. All right. I didn't mean to do that. How do I? Oh well. All right. So we're going to put it in dev SHM instead. Hopefully that worked. Let me tail the logs. Maybe it's the 7th. Yeah, that looks like it worked. So now we can just do duplicate this tab and then do an ls dev shm. There we go. We got reverse. Hopefully we can actually run things out of this directory. Sometimes you cannot. Yeah, for stream edges you need to do the 0x, sorry. All right, let's chmod plus x reverse.elf, and we need to actually encode that plus as a percentage do 2b. Okay, and then if we refresh this, it has execute permissions. Good. Now if I go back here, we can execute it perhaps. Dev shm reverse.elf. To help if I actually spell elf right. That looks good. That looks promising. Okay. Though this is definitely doing something weird with my shell, right? Yeah, definitely shutting down the... Let's see what we got in Etsy password. We got the Zalvas user. Maybe we can see what's in his home directory. Alright. That's good. Let's do a -a. Does this guy have... This guy does not have a .ssh folder. But what is this file? I'm going to duplicate the tab again. Do cat Peda keeps commands history in his working directory. You should make a directory in /temp and work from there. Keep in mind that temp is not listable, so other users cannot see your files and folders. Okay. So can we just create folders or things if I do a touch? Or more actually, if I echo Tiberius into temp/test, and then can I at least cat it? Okay, all right. So the files are there. So what we... Okay, here's an idea. We can create files in /temp. You should make a directory in temp. Keep in mind that temp is not listable. So we can, if we can guess other users' files, we might have a chance. Let's see what this is. Let's just go through all their files. Actually, I'm gonna copy and paste this into our notes. All right. So this is don't forget. Okay. Thank you for the follow, SPR Beast. Let's try intrusions. Okay. Yeah, the netcat. Possible intrusion by blacklisted process. That explains it. Alright, let's see what Peda... I mean, I guess I can technically grab the user while we're at it. And I will mute this freaking tab. Submit flag. Yeah, that was like that was a piece of cake. That was nothing. Okay. Let's see what's in Peda. Right, it looks like there's peda.py. Oh boy. Oh goodness. Alright. I'm just gonna pretend we didn't see that. That looks weird. Alright, let's go into alarm clocks. Nothing in there. What's in the app directory? Nothing. Okay. I guess is there a way? Can we like temp/test? All right, and then if I do, all right, here's what we can do. We know, and does it work for directories actually? Hang on, let me just make directory /temp/tib. All right. If I do tib, Directory. Okay, here we go. This is what we're going to do, people. We now have an oracle. Because we can't list anything in the temp directory, right? But we can access files in the temp directory. So we have to guess the files. But unfortunately, there's no difference between... actually, I wonder if cat... Yeah, if you cat something that's not there, it looks exactly the same as if you were catting some an empty file or empty directory, right? So we need an oracle, and file happens to be that oracle. So file will tell us, firstly, if something's a directory or not, but also it'll tell us if something's there, and if we change this to test2, which doesn't exist, it tells us that. So all we need to do now is create a list, and I bet there's a Zalvas directory. No, okay. Footpicks for sale is raiding with 39 people. Did you complete the box, Footpicks? The not the box, the complete beginner path. Alright, there's no such file. So we just basically need to spam this until we find something. We're going to use burp. You did? Excellent. Well done. Okay, so we are going to put our little thing there. Admin power. No one cares. Tasty Boy, thank you for the tier 1. For 3 months in advance? Wow. Appreciate it, man. Alright, we're going to use a simple list. We're going to use... in fact, you know what? I'm going to use server-side variable names just to see what happens. And we're going to extract... basically, everything after... Yeah, everything. Everything from the HTML onwards. Let's see if this works. Okay, so yeah, temp is a directory, we knew that. We got test, which I think I created. Footbix subscribed at tier 1 as well. Thank you. Alright, I'm going to go... we're going to edit out anything that says no such file directory. So we're going to filter by this negative search, though, and apply it. Alright, this one is my... The FIFO, the first in first out thing, is a pipe that I created when I tried to get Netcat to work, which Netcat does not work. Okay, so now we'll go back here. We can discard that. Let's clear this. Maybe use the directories long. And the same thing we'll do here. No such file directory, negative match. Alright, nothing there. Can we use files? Always try it. Nothing. So what was the header keeps command history and working directory? Maybe it's header. No. Okay. H. Make a directory and temp from work from there. Keep in mind the temp is not visible. Others cannot see your files and folders if you don't use external. Is it just commands history? What do you mean? A folder could command? Yeah, I mean maybe. We need to do a backslash. Yeah, we can do .bash underscore history, but there's nothing there. Try bash rc. Header.txt maybe. Maybe there's .ssh. No. And there's unfortunately no way of telling what he created. But let's see what's in Pedder. Yeah, I mean it's a hard box, so I expect it to be hard. I guess we can just try to read the README and see what happens. Oh, would help if I actually. Alright, we'll do stream raiders in a sec. Zelvas header / readme. Yeah, we already got the user flag. They kind of give you the user flag for free on this one. Alright, let's do stream raiders. Hold on. There we go. I'm not even paying attention to this troll. Alright, good. Well done, Tasty Boy and Christy. Let's keep it moving. Alright. So I take it we're gonna have to use Pedder.py. At some point. I wonder, can we like run sudo? We can try and find well, it's not working. Try and find some SUID files maybe. But I think it's trying to make us directory brute force effectively. At least that looks like what it's doing. But we'll see. Maybe there's an SUID that's weird and wonderful. There's snap, which might be might be something we can use. If it's blocking programs by name like NC, Bash, etc., then can you try renaming them? That is a good question. Maybe actually. Let's see. What was my? So this one uses NC. So maybe if we just try moving NC, yeah. Well, copying NC. Which NC? Alright, we're going to copy bin NC into dev shm tib. Alright. Alright. So now what we need to do is grab this reverse shell, put it in here, and then wherever it says NC, which is just one place, we're going to do dev shm/tib. And that is my right IP, yeah? Yeah. Let's encode it though. Alright. Alright. That was easy. Nice one, Kale Shield. That was good thinking. Alright. You know what? Yeah, we'll give him there you go, man. No more ads for you for a month. Import pty, pty.spawn. Bin bash. Okay. Now we have a nice show. Alright, we can do... was there actually anything in uploads at all? So uploads directory was just a massive red herring, I guess. Arbitrary file upload. Hey, thank you, man. I appreciate it. Alright, can we do sudo-l? We cannot, which makes sense. www data should never have sudo-l. Alright, let's do we have write access? We do not. We don't have write access to this directory, but we do in dev shm, which I'm just going to use for everything. Alright, let's wget. No, I don't want to kill the pane. I want a new pane. IPA. Alright, we'll wget http //privesc linpeas.sh. Okay, we'll chmod it plus x. And then we'll do chmod plus x linpeas. Alright, linpeas.sh-h. And we want to do linpeas.sh -qt linpeas index.txt. Alright, we'll let that run. Alright. Alright. Apache. Binary process permissions, yeah, we know about that one. Oops. Come on. Oh, great. Alright, we're still looking around. Has it just died? Nope. Okay, that's good. We got something listing on port 25. Hey, not the real C0. Thank you for the subscription. What are we at on my sub counter, by the way? I can't see it. It's too small for me. 46. All right, almost there. So close. All right. So we got something listing on 25, which I believe is 25 SMTP. Port 25. SMTP. It is. Okay, good. Yeah, it's the NCIS. Sorry, NCIS. It's not NCIS. It's NCS releases. It's a free streaming playlist on Spotify. So all copyright free music. Anyone can use it. It is definitely not the NCIS. Alright, what do we got here? I hate when it auto-scrolls me. Alright, so keep going. Come on. Zeldas is in the LXD group. I wonder if we're supposed to be able to get across to Zalvas. I mean the fact that you can't read the temp directory. What am I looking for? I'm looking for anything that can give us privesc to any user, honestly. I find that message, the fact that you can't see anything on temp, but apparently you can create files, interesting. I wouldn't imagine they'd put it in there if it wasn't supposed to be used. The thing about mount? Was there something about... Okay, hang on. Oh, hang on, screen. Hang on, screen. If we use screen, it gives us the UTemp group. Okay, hang on, groups. Groups. cat/etsy/group. Alright, hang on. What's UTemp? Is that a standard one? UTemp group. Alright, well, we can run it. GTF opens. We can run screen, which is effectively it's a bit like Tmux. So we'll note that down. This uploads have nothing to do with it. What if I told you a block of cheese is just a loaf of milk? I guess. Okay. Which screen again? User bin screen. Alright, hang on. Alright. SUID equals this. Alright. Dark Eldar, thank you for the subscription. You've subscribed for 5 months, man. Nice. Okay. If the binary is allowed to run as a super user, it's not drop. Yeah. So if we just do screen, please set a terminal type. Okay, so I need to do this. I need to get a TTY, don't I? Alright, we've done that. Step 2 is this. Sport. Oops. I'm just gonna put the instructions in here. Control Z, do this. Okay, Control Z, do that. And then I want to do STTY. How do I get the rows? How do I get it to print the size? Print size. It's just size, alright. 35,146. So now we need to do 35, 146. And then we can just do this command. Okay. Now we have that. Okay, so now we can do screen. Okay. See, we're still running, but can we actually? All right, hang on. Exit that. Is that an extension for Hacktricks? No, it's not. Wow, Tasty Boy, thank you for gifting the tier 1 sub to XE Squirmy. All right, so we we're at 50 now? Hang on. No, we're at 40. Oh, it hasn't updated. Maybe we're at 50. All right. So, I mean, let's just Google screen privesc. Oh yeah, we can list sessions actually. Screen. There's no sockets. Where to go, screen? Did we run Python? We did, but Python wasn't forbidden. At least it's only. I think it's only forbidden via PHP. Dark Eldar with the 5 gift subs to Lewis Wicho 80, Knight of Dark 94, Ein KL2, sorry, Johnny MD5, nice name, MSEC, welcome. Okay. Oh, we have a hype train is close. I think I've only had a hype train once. I'm just wondering why, when we run screen, let me just do screen -h. Is there a... Is there a way to persist? What was some of these? We can write to a file. I guess then we should actually search for files that this group owner. So find group utemp. Last log. I didn't want to do that. The run screen is Footpix for sale has cheered with 69 bits. Nice. Alright. Thank you, Footpix. Alright, we're trying to get into this stupid... Yeah, there is a tool called PSPy. Zutu Kalipa is gifting a sub to Richie S. Thank you. And we have a hype train going. Nice. Okay. Here's where we're at. We don't have any permissions really on this box. However, we can run. If I do ls-l, which screen, we can run screen. Not with SUID, right? SUID, there'd be an S in the X position here. However, there's an S here. So this is an SGUID bit set, which means if we run screen, we should be running with an effective ID of, so effective GID of, oh my goodness, Footpix for sale, 5 gifted subs. You guys are crazy. Welcome Husky Hacks, eBook, Control Byte, Lusalin, MT Taggart. You got some good streamers in there. Any good files in home? There weren't really. If I do an ls, actually, let me see into home. I should probably do some. I'll do a shout out to Footpix and also Husky. And I'm not even sure if Husky streams. Do you stream, Husky? I know MT does. There you go. If I missed anyone, I apologize. Husky Hacks does make YouTube videos, so you should go check him out there. Okay, yeah, so we had this don't forget thing, which if I cat that, Peta keeps command history in the working directory. You should make a directory in /temp and work from there. Keep in mind that temp is not listable, so other users cannot see your files and folders. So this makes me think we have to potentially guess the folder that they were working in temp, which we can do. We can run stuff like temp salvas, and it will say no such file directory. Whereas if I did temp/tib is a directory. Yeah, so recov.wav. I mean, we might have to do that. There's also in alarm clocks. There's these. I guess we can. Let's just get them off the box. Calamity. All right. Let's get recov.wav. -w30. All right. NC. My IP address again. This might not work. Recov.wav. Alright, so we're going to do this. We're going to do that. 319. Hey, transferred it. Alright, let's listen to this then. I'm not entirely sure what I've got here to actually play it. HackTheBox, Calamity. I guess we're opening it. Anyone else hear that? I'm gonna mute the music for a minute. Is my box I'm just wondering if sound card is technically connected. Oh, hang on. That should be it. If I change it to my headphones, maybe it'll work. No. Okay. Sound card. Let's change it back to this one. And then let's just go to YouTube. Alright, I guess I'm logged in. Sure, we'll watch some virtual. Yeah, there's no sound coming out of that. Alright. I'm not entirely sure how we listen to this. I guess I could listen to them on my own box. Which is easy enough. Come on. Is it media? No. Mount the shared folders. All right. Okay, hang on. All right, where's my... Let's just put it in documents, I guess. So we're going to copy the file, which is recarve. I'll put the music back on. Recarve.wav into mount. What am I doing? Come on. Why is it doing this? Okay, I'm gonna maximize the screen again. Well, it's not liking that. Mount shared folders. Come on, you can do this. Okay, shared folders is just not working. We might not have to listen to it then. We might be able to. Is Audacity installed in here? No, of course not. I'm really confused why I cannot access my /MNT even though I've told it to mount everything. I guess VMware. Oh jeez, come on, tools. There we go. Let's restart VM tools. Mounted folders. Oh geez, okay. I don't know why this is not working. There should be shared folders. It's in options. They're all there. I mean, it was working a minute ago. Look, I could see it. Now it's just gone. And this terminal's completely crashed. Okay, that's working. So now let's copy. Alright, we're not in the right directory. Copy. Mounts HGFS documents. Okay. Alright. VLC, please. I'll take that over there. And all right, let me pause the music again. Yep, that was it. That was a Rickroll, and it was a really loud Rickroll. I do apologize. We're going to listen to the whole thing. Yeah, DMCA me. I'll probably have to edit that out. Alright. There were some others though, weren't there? There were in alarm clocks. And actually I have got Audacity, I believe. Audacity installed. Okay. Let's see if open documents. Alright. Okay, so there's a way to do No, it's not that. I forget how you do this to... There we go, spectrogram. That doesn't look like anything. Alright, it's not that. Okay, let's oh my god, is this broken? Oh, did my VPN mess up? I'm gonna put the music back on. Oh, come on. We just got this. Alright, I'm gonna have to go out of that to another netcat. That one. And then send this again. That should have worked. Is there no longer a... Did it delete everything? Hang on. Temp/tib. Oh, the entire box seems to be down. Hang on. Oh, rip. That is the right. Can I just mmap? Okay, it's open. Command ID. Okay, it is working now. All right, so ls/l dev shm. We should have. We still have tib, so why? This is the one, so... Oh, we got... Okay. We got there eventually. Alright, I'm not going to go through the entire process of getting a nice shell for now. Bash. Alright, /home /Zalvas alarm clocks. You're right, actually. There could be a file named one of these. No such file. What was the other one? Recuv. Alright, it's not there. Let's go to alarm. Oh, we're in alarm clocks again. Alright. So we're gonna use the same trick to get the other things off the box. So we're gonna use NC. And we'll do Rick first. Rick.wav. Okay, go back over here. Netcat. I can never remember my IP address, no matter how many times. 4444 rick.wav. And I'm only doing this, by the way, because I don't think I can write to the www directory. No, we did that. Let's do the other one while we're here. Which was an MP3. Okay. It might help if I did that first. All right. And let's copy Rick and Zooris to int HGFS documents. Okay, we've got them there. I'm just gonna open them. I'll open it in VLC and we'll play it. We're playing Rick. Yep, it's the same thing. Is this going to be the same thing? Okay, it's not. Hang on. I think it's just a door alarm though. Doorbell. Let's mute it. There's 2 minutes and 45 seconds of this. Alright. Oh, what was that? Okay, that's weird. How did this get onto HackTheBox? I thought they didn't accept boxes like this. Let's have a look at that. Alright, here we go. Let's do a spectrogram of this. I mean, it kind of looks like something. But I don't think there's anything there. It definitely looks odd, doesn't it? But I don't think. All right, let me grab and close this one. No, let's open the other one. The Rick one. Yeah, I don't see any. Like usually, it's pretty blatant when they hide stuff in it. It's like a word spelt like in the dead space of the noise. So let me put the music back on. What's the VPN complaining about now? Ah, jeez, okay. All you had to do was cool strings on it. I guess technically we could. Aha. I don't know. We could. Isn't there strings has a like a minimum character thing? Dash number. Okay, so let's do a -8 on recuv. The thing is, though, that could literally just be metadata that we're getting out. I mean, it doesn't look like it's very promising. Let's try the other ones. Let's try the zoo run. Yes, that's not. What's the other one? Strings Rick. -8. Yeah, so you see some of it makes sense, encoded by this. I'm not entirely sure that's the way in. Yeah, we can do exif. I don't think, does that work against It does. Right, so it is technically a comment. Isn't this where we came in? A lot of misspellings on this box, I've noticed. Let's do Rick. Nothing in there. Finally, nothing in there. Are the misspellings intentional? I have no idea. You'll have to ask the box creator. Okay. Oh, apparently our battle was ready a while ago. Let's do Stream Raiders while we continue molding. Sure, we'll do this. Alright. Okay. Oh, let's stay when the OCP's out. I really hope not. I don't think so. All right. While we're at it, let's get go back into dev shm. Let's grab limpiece.txt and open it on our system. So hang on. Limpiece.txt. Alright, now we can use, I think we can use less, right? Yeah, okay, now we can do this. I'm just going to move this all the way over here, go away. Alright, start paging down. Where were we? I mean, we had that. Okay, so we got port 25, which is interesting internally. So I'm going to copy that into. I'm going to maximize my screen again, actually. So we have that. Let's page down. The Salvas user has LXD, which makes me think maybe that's the way to get to root. There is a Git file in the Pedis directory, but that might just be from when they cloned the repo. Alright, here we go. Yeah, so screen's in there as an SGID. That was it. All right. Someone mentioned you can mount it, but I don't think you can. So let's see. You can't use limpiece on the OCP. There was a time when the author had the author had put in this weird exploit, and one InfoSec streamer, I think it was Superhero 1. He got his exam. He wasn't awarded his exam even though he passed because he used linpeas, which it actually exploited a privilege escalation in order to confirm a privilege escalation. Luckily, there was a pretty big outcry that it was completely unfair because their reasoning was you should know what your tools do. And I agree with that sentiment. You should. But they seem to be suggesting that you need to audit every single line of code in a tool that you read, whereas I think you should be able to look up the tool and be like, oh, it's a privilege escalation enumeration tool. It's not an exploit tool. So they eventually did give him his cert. And linpeas was updated, so I don't think in the future they're going to do anything like that. It is a very good tool for the OSCP exam. Yeah, they let him pass, yeah. Alright, someone said there was a hidden... No, there's no hidden directories. I swear it has to be something to do with this directory, which is... Oh, it's only writable, readable by root. Okay, someone's saying there's a... So if I do search exploit, I guess. Screen. SGID. Priv-esc. Screen 4.5. So should we do screen version? Alright, it's certainly behind 4.5. So actually let's do search exploit -p. Alright. The check opens the log file with full root privileges. This allows us to truncate any file or create a root-owned file with any contents in any directory. Okay. What's the 5.4 version? Set UID. Okay, yeah. Alright, let's try this. So I'm going to copy it to my web server. We're going to fetch it. And I'm going to go back to dev SHM where I can actually see files. We're going to go with... Alright, chmod plus x. Right, let's just read what it does again. I did not know about the -x, thank you. This we might have to modify this because I don't think it's going to work. But we'll try it anyway. All right. Did it create file? Just root shell. Oh, whoops. Yeah, so it's still owned by by me. Oh wait a minute, we need to be in screen, don't we? Can I exit out of this? Yeah, okay, so we're going to screen first. Yeah, what is it? Term equals X term, alright. Alright. Now we'll try this. I'm going to remove it. Oh. Wait a minute, I'm... Alright, screen. Alright, hang on. I think we might need to modify it. Let me remove the root shell a minute. And we'll exit out of this, and then we'll exit out of that again, and then we'll cat Etsy group. Because I think what we need to do is just set the set it to 43, I think. So I don't think we need this. Well, actually, and I think instead we need to set the GID to 43. We don't want this. Okay. Alright, where's the let's remove 41154.sh and then re-download it. Okay, chum mod plus x 41154.sh. Alright, now we go into a screen. And now we do 41154.sh. Nope. What was the screen priv-esque? Well, that's the bash script. Proof of concept. The check opens the log file with full root privileges. This allows us to truncate any file or create a root-owned file with any contents in any directory. It can be easily exploited to full access in several ways. Oh, the follow-ups here, okay. Ah, some install SGID utemp. Oh, Zoom, sorry, yeah. Alright, oh, I didn't choose a new battle, sorry. There we go, there we go. What users were there? There's the Zalvas user, and then there's the root, pretty much. The rest of them are pretty simple. I should exit out that actually. Yeah, so there's the root up here, and then there's Zalvas. I'm just not sure how we use this to screen sgid priv esc. This does seem like the correct way. Oh, hang on, did it? Maybe because I didn't, no. Alright, oh, hang on. I don't even know if that'll work, but let's try it out. Oh, the first bit was a piece of cake. I never said this bit would be. Okay, did that actually do anything? Right, because I need to be in. I need to be in a screen session, even though I don't have the group, which is weird. But maybe I have to backdoor it. No, okay. No, it's not just dev/shm. I'm just forgetting where I am now. 41154.sh. It's still just. Which screen am I using? User bin screen, which is still... SGID bit group screen. This is a tricky one. Can we read anything in it? Yeah. So, hang on. Like, there was... we can read quite a few things. We can get his alarm clocks. I forgot what was in app. Well, we can't get it to app, that's why. Don't forget mention the temp naming. Have you considered the two WAV files sound the same? One is original, one is modified. You mean this one, recov.wav? So we've got recov.wav and we have alarm clocks rick.wav. Yeah, they're subtly different. They're the same. They are the same. Hang on, recov.wav. Oh. Oh, what am I doing? This is where the box gets moldy. Exif tool rick.wav. Didn't have that, and then recov.wav. Says, isn't this where we came in? Other than that, they're pretty identical. Import both files in Audacity, okay. Alright, so we've got this one. And then if I open... that was recov, this is Rick. Alright, and then if we did... I mean... looks pretty... Can be put in the same screen. Can I create a new track? I don't really use Audacity that much. Add new stereo. Alright. I mean, they look identical. The only difference seems to be the comment. Can you get a negative of it? Yeah. see, hang on. Oh, wrong way. How do I do a negative? See if there are multiple tracks. Alright, let's do... Oh. How am I doing this? My goodness. Why won't it zoom? Alright, yeah, let's select them both. Effects. Invert. Did that do anything? I don't think invert did anything. Doesn't look like it. Is it possible to subtract them? I have no idea. Select one by one. No, I just did it. I'd already tried that. It doesn't do anything. I'm not playing them because they're just rickrolls. I mean, we can try it. My God, come on. I think the files and the brute force are just two planted rabbit holes. Yeah, maybe. But then, what's the actual answer? It's just weird that there was that screen had an SGID, except that this doesn't even seem to work. Files are the key. Like, are you saying this because you've read a write-up, or are you just saying it? Oops. I mean, it sure is abnormal, but I just don't see anything in them. Yeah, exactly. Oh, hang on. Can't we just brute force the user's password? I hope, yeah. So apparently these are default permissions. Why have I never noticed that before, though? Yeah, screen might be a rabbit hole as well. But then, what's a rabbit hole and what's not a rabbit hole? Any other ideas? It's Linux 4. exploit. Less than 80. Look at the permissions of the WAV files. Alright. I mean, I'm pretty sure we've done that. It's read, write, read, and then then read, write, read by root. Well, I don't know what root's doing there, but it's not like it hasn't created this file. Because, I mean, sorry, it hasn't created this file recently. We could use, one thing we haven't done, just because we got completely distracted, was we haven't used PSPI. Or PSPI, whatever. Probesk. So we can upload this one. And then just try. See. That was like the last thing on my list. I just wish, hang on. Yeah, there was port 25 open, SMTP, which you can send emails, I guess. I'll take a hint in a minute. Maybe, right, so it's every 2 seconds it's updating the chmod on /temp. Invert the RIC WAV. So it is to do with the file. But I can't invert it. We've tried inverting it. I mean, it's not really basic CTF. Steganography like this is just annoying. But I don't see how I can. Yeah, maybe there is. Let me check it out. When you mean invert, do you mean reverse? Yeah, not the real C0. Look. Where are we? Hang on. Where'd it go? Okay. Right, you see this? Alright. I select it all. Go to effect. Invert. It did nothing. Okay, and we're going to ban this person. Ban invoke function. Okay, hang on. Someone just sent me the manual to invert. Only on the selected audio. Where'd it go? Okay, no, it is inverting it. Look, it is. You can see it being flipped around. Nothing. Alright, I'll tell you what we're going to do. We're going to... Did this do anything? No. Alright, so I'm going to kill that, even though it's going to kill my shell. Alright, what we're going to do... We're going to copy rick.wav over the top of... okay. And then we will open Rick. Okay. Close this one. This is the right version. And so if we do Control A, invert. I mean, there's the inversion. Are they letters? Oh, where'd it go? Alright, hang on. You're saying we need to create a new track, stereo. Oh, not actually, hang on. Oh, jeez. Okay, hang on. Let me open another one. Okay. This is the recuv. Can I just drag? No. Alright, so I need to copy this entire thing. Copied. Track, add new, stereo track. What? Okay, yeah, that is right. Okay, right. Okay, so the other one is there. What do you want me to do? Play it? Alright. Let me turn the music off. Oh, hang on. Jeez. Okay, that crashed Audacity. Oh, where is it? Audacity. Not Auckland, Audacity. Discard the projects because it didn't help. Alright. Recent files. No. File open. Alright, screw it. Recuv. And then Recuv is the one we don't want to invert. Let's just even try to see if it even plays. No. Alright. Yeah, no, this isn't gonna work. If it's okay, I'm gonna gut. Just tell me what the heck it is, because I'm not gonna try and mess around with waveforms. This isn't pen testing. This is dumb. So this box has got me molding. Even I don't usually mold, but this one has got me just pissed off because it's just dumb. All right, we're going back to the music. I'm not doing freaking stego. I hate Stego. I avoid Stego like the plague. Alright.
Mr. Streamer!
Yeah, Mr. Streamer. Alright. What's the answer? He doesn't show the password entirely. Of course he doesn't. Can you downvote boxes on HackTheBox? Review. CTF. Stupid Stego. No, I'm gonna put that. Alright. I'm just gonna Google it. HackTheBox Calamity walkthrough. Oh, it was released as Insane. You guys have trolled me. I hate when they downgrade boxes because of this. Alright, let's just scroll down. Blah, blah, blah. Yes, we found that. Directory brute force, we found those. We got that. Reverse shell fail, yep. Same result, blah, blah, blah. This guy didn't use our big brain method of changing the name of the binary. Enumeration. Okay. Steg was way more common in HackTheBox early days, yeah. Alright, here we go. We import both files in. It will cancel out the sound. I can play it from here and hear a voice talking. Oh, jeez. Your password is 1854793 ..star. All right. This, yeah, we were never getting that. Let's face it. Dumb thing. So apparently this is an extremely old box, which explains why it's so awful. Alright. So now we can actually get in, though. We don't even need the shell that we crashed. Who was the user? Zalvas. Alright. SSH Zalvas at Calamity.HackTheBox. Yes. Oh, it didn't work. Because I didn't copy anything, I guess. Okay. Oh, you don't need that. Alright. Where are we? Hang on. Gifts.
We are in.
We are in. Alright. Alright, so he can't run sudo. But we can probably look inside now this app directory, right? Okay. Let's just run. Good luck. Oh, file name. Okay. Right, we'll do some Stream Raiders. Although this looks like it's yeah, it's a buffer overflow. Alright, this will get killed now. Alright. So it's asking for a file name, which grep file name in source.c. All right. Alright, so it's asking for a file name. I mean, this box has just been ridiculous, and I'm not by any means going to pretend that I know anything about buffer overflows in this sense. Let's just try. So it had a buffer of 30, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then let's copy that. Do another A. No. Well, this box got me molding just because I hate with a passion CTF boxes. Did this one reveal itself? I should probably check. How? No, I'm sorry. Look at this. How is it there? This is the CTF angle. How is it this? It should be right up here. Does this run anything? I mean, we can do strings on the binary. Runs that maps command, which we can't overload. I mean, let's just. I guess we can. Let's put some content in a file. Can't open the file for writing. Oh, jeez. All right, we'll do Tiberius test. All right. Good luck. Home, Salvas, Tiberius. Alright, leave a message to the admin. Access denied for change user. Did anything happen to that file? No. Yeah, I'm Christy. I'm sure GDB would help. The only problem is, hang on a minute. Hang on. I have no idea what I'm doing with GDB. Okay, I'm serious. I'm a web app hacker. You can tell me to open GDB, or you're like, I'm going to open it and go, okay, I have no idea what this is. There's molding, and there's literally not having the skills. Binary exploitation literally has. I have no interest. Okay. If you would ask me, by the way, I don't. Molding is maddening and bolding. But okay, so I can't ice skate, right? I have no idea. I have no real interest in learning how to ice skate properly. If you were to say that I had to either do a binary exploit or become a professional figure skater, I would choose the figure skater. All right? I have no interest in binary exploitation. I hate it. I hate it with a passion. Sign me up for the figure skating. All right. Well, that's been a good stream. I really wish Hollow Network had actually worked. I'm not even. I mean, I'm gonna read the write up on this. Oh, there is an LXD. Why don't we just do the LXD path? That was what I was saying before. Remember when we had our groups? Remember LXD. Unintended. I'll take an unintended. Privesc. All right, hang on. LXD Privesc. We've done this several times on the stream, haven't we? I think you can. Right, so we can do it without the internet. I think we've already done. Haven't we already got this? Locate. Why won't my thing copy? Alright, we haven't. Oh, we're looking for Alpine. I'm pretty sure I've got. Maybe I have to update DB. You're in the middle of the hiring process, and the challenges are binary. Yeah. I mean, if that's what they want in terms of a tester, sure. I only apply to do web app stuff. All right. Where was the write-up? Did I delete the write-up? So what was the actual method of doing this then? Oh, here we go. Alright. Yeah, see, this is all foreign language to me. Yeah, no idea. I'm just updating my database. I'm pretty sure I've already built the Alpine image. In fact, I might do. Yeah. Oh, actually, so where was it? Oh, hang on, I have it already. Alright, we've got it there. So... So we need to put doing from your home directory on the victim machine. Alright, so we need to go back up to here. And we're going to do wget. So I've already forgotten my IP address. Wget HTTP. And then the Alpine. Yep. Alright, we'll do this. And we'll run it. Okay. That must be run as root. Okay. Okay. Jeez, come on. Okay. And then we do the start. And then we do this. And there we go. And then I believe we can cd into the mount directory, which has the root directory, which boom. Alright. Yeah, so technically I already spotted that one. In fact, in the initial run through of the MPs. I'm gonna. Where is this? Stupid. There we go. Yeah, so I guess real life applicable 0. Common vulnerabilities. What were the common vulnerabilities? There were none really that we used to get in, were there? No, so 0. Enumeration, stupid. Oh, I have to rate at least 1, do I? Oh, okay. There we go. This is ridiculous. Cool. All right, at least we got root. Even the unintended way is fine. Yeah. I just wish hard boxes didn't have to have these stupid binary exploits. But the unfortunate thing is, I want to be honest with people, so I don't want to. You know, I could easily read up on all the HackTheBox things, right, and plan ahead and look like I'm this super awesome hacker. But I don't like doing that because that's dishonest, and I would much rather just choose a box at random the downside of that is you get these stupid boxes where there's literally steganography to get SSH on a realistic box. So yeah, I mean, it's just really annoying. Which is why I kind of like try Hack Me more as well, because HackTheBox you really do not know what you're going to get. The thing is, it really isn't showing the reality of hacking. The reality is, if something looks exploitable, but you're spending too many hours trying to get there, then in penetration tests you just move on to something else, because ultimately you shouldn't just be focusing on one particular area of something. You also won't find anything in music files, right? Even the actual freaking way onto the box is just kind of silly. They didn't have to do this. I mean, I'm a web app tester. I got this very quickly, and you would as well. This is a CTF, and it's awful. People do not really use steganography. I'm sorry, they just don't. And the reason why people don't use steganography is because we have something called cryptography, which makes something look random, and only the people who have the key can decode. Whereas steganography, pretty much anyone can just decode it. Yeah, sure, it looks like an image, but you know what? You know what a encrypted message looks like? Gibberish. It looks like complete garbage. The point of the encryption algorithms is it's supposed to kind of look randomish, because then you don't know if it's just random data or encrypted data. How about if you cannot send the key to the other person? Read up on Diffie-Hellman key exchange. Diffie-Hellman key exchange is amazing. It's a way of two people generating a shared secret key completely in the open. All right, so you have Alice over here, and you have Bob over here, and I'm Mallory, right? I'm the malicious Mallory person. Alice can start speaking and telling Bob all the stuff they need to generate the key, and Bob will do the same, and both of them can generate the key, except Mallory can't. Person in the middle cannot generate it. It's beautiful mathematics. In fact, I recommend anyone who is interested in cryptography should know about Diffie-Hellman key exchange. It's how a lot of the web works. All right. There you go. This does an analogy with paint. All right. So everyone chooses a common paint. Then they choose secret colors. All right. So at this point, the attacker knows the paint they started with, right? But they don't know the secret colors. All right. So all they see is this and this, with obviously the common stuff. They know the common stuff behind. They switch them over. They add their own secret colors again, and now they both have a common secret. But at this point in the middle, right, this is where the communication happens. There's no way for the attacker, other than brute force, to work out from this one and this one what the key is, what this secret color is. Of course, mathematically it's possible. It's just that if you were able to do it, you solve the MP complete problem. Yeah, so this is how it does it. It does it using modulus and very, very, very large primes. Definitely read up on it. It's a really good subject. But yeah. All right, let's find someone to raid. Where am I? You know what? We'll raid JBeers. Stream raiders. Let me just check. I think it crashed on me. Yeah, I think Stream Raiders crashed. It had like 10 minutes to go anyway. If we have got time, yeah, no, it's screwed up. All right. Well, that was an interesting one. I'm sorry that everyone. Basically, we couldn't do the Holo Network, and I'm sorry that the hard box we chose was actually just complete nonsense and garbage. I mean, at least you got to see some web app stuff, which I guess is all right. Just don't expect to see this. Okay, we're gonna raid JBeers. While that's going on, I'm gonna flash up the stream ending. I'm hoping that I don't have to edit out all the freaking rickrolling, but I probably will. On the screen on my socials, follow me on Twitter, join my Discord server, give me a subscribe on YouTube. And you're already watching me on Twitch, but if you're not following, please click the follow button and you'll get notifications when I go live. Also on my main page, there is, there you go. There is a schedule. I stream every Monday and Friday. Monday is the Cyber Mentoring Monday stream, so it's the easy stuff. Today's is the, Frustration Friday hard, or as we find out, insane level boxes with stupid freaking CTFs. Alright, I hope everyone has a great weekend, and I will see you again on Monday. Thank you very much. Let's raid JBeers.